So, YouTube. I tacked pretty much everything together. And correct me, this is a 3-part series. This is part 2. We welded pretty much everything with Mick together, and on the last part, part 3, we bring on the casters and painted black how my 2 other carts. I do my gear on, gloves, good solid welding helmet, and let's go! So this piece is a little bit pulled in, so I make an outside bead so that's straighter. That's a very nice beat, YouTube. A very nice beat. My settings are very correctly. It's not pulled. That's a nice, solid beat. Yeah. So now I make the other side and we see us. So I roll the 2 sides. This weld is a little bit crappy because I had slack underneath this sheet from the plasma cutting, but I make a strip around to hold a little bottle of propane and not the Hiroshima bomb. So now I weld this holder for my oxygen. Oh yeah. Also a nice beat. So I make the other side and the inside and wir sehen uns gleich wieder. Now we came to the bottom. Here, this plate I welded on, and this plate comes now. Downhill welding. Yeah, nice beat. Oh, this is also a nice weld. I clean my nozzle a little bit. So now I weld it on a distance from about 3 centimeters, and it's not a good weld. Yeah. Okay. So now we weld the outside corners of this frame downhill with the same settings on my machine. a 2 mm gap, but it's not a problem. I weld a little piece, then I hit off and weld another piece. And here, and we see us on the next step. So I've welded the sides, and this is the last side that I must weld it. I think my weld paddle is a little bit too hot for this material, but then I have a deeper penetration. Yeah, you see, I welded every 15 centimeters. Oh, here's a little crack in this bending strip. So I make on each side a little bit bigger tack. So the biggest metalworking is completed. And yeah, this was part 2 of the 3-part series. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, give likes, and I hope I see you next time on my channel, and I hope you see part 3 of this series. Thanks very much for watching.